So I need to steal an ifrit, and then what chop shop should I go to? Go to the one at Sophia.
You could probably drive down to Rebel Chop Shop. It's next to us.
I'm gonna get shot, man. Hey, don't shoot, don't shoot. I'm just here to steal cars. Don't shoot, I don't have a gun. I'm unarmed. I'm just gonna steal cars. Don't shoot me. You're right, man, I don't have a gun. I'm just here to steal cars. It's Billy McJimmy,
We're here to take cars. We're here to take cars.
We just came to steal the cars. You bastard.
We're just car stealers.
Ah, there we go, door's open. How you doing? Here, do us a favour, mate, don't shoot me, I'm just going to steal cars. You wouldn't happen to have a lockpick on you, would you?
Okay. No.
Or I will gouge out your eyeballs and skull fuck you!
I keep forgetting I got my fucking soundboard. Right, let's see.
Where did you spawn, Billy? Oh yeah, you can spawn there, can't you? I haven't got my. I'll spawn at Cosford.
Right, let's
I'll wait
see.
for Bray actually.
Oh, ah, yeah, because you can come on with him. Come under. Oh. They're not very good shooting under the water. Miss me, you bitch.
It'll be Wonka and Tyler probably.
Hey, can't shoot Billy McJimmy, can you? Nah, 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 nah.
I'm waiting for you showing up as a skull.
Yeah.
Fucking zigging zagging. This is.
Do you not spawn with a GPS piece?
No. I've
You have
not
all your
got the-
survivor things set up.
No, I've got.
Don't shoot Billy McJimmy! Don't be a bitch!
Yo, man, what are you doing?
I came to steal cars! How you doing, man? Ah, for fuck's sake.
Billy!
Yeah, I told you it's me, I only came to steal cars.
Billy, what are you doing?
I'm here to steal cars, man. I never could find any cars.
Thank you for the free money.
Did you get money for killing me?
You did it wrong. It's Hayden Reed, not Will the Ape, your biggest fan.
Alright, okay, well, yeah, I'm only here to steal cars, man.
Love you, I gotta go help them one sec.
Yeah, go help, go help. No, don't want spike strips. I want lockpicks. There we go. Hello guys, how you doing? I'm just here to steal your cars, don't shoot me. Don't shoot, don't shoot, I'm just here to steal. I'm just here to steal cars, don't shoot me. I just want a ifrit, alright? What a cunt. I just wanted an ifrit. Bastards.
I don't know if I can sling load an ifrit. Oh, my legs are still fucked. Fuck it, we'll just drive it around. It's probably quicker.
Nearly won.
Wait,
Yeah,
I've got.
quick, get
Have
in.
you not got a medipack?
No, just quick get in. We'll just drive it around.
Have you got the money to chop it?
We'll have to drop. We'll drive somewhere and then chop it from there. So we'll stop at Neo Chori, go to a cash point, get 500k out, and drive over.
Mate, the Rebel Chop Shop's in the warzone.
Yeah, but we'll go to the other one.
Oh, at north by the parts assembly. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
I've got a tractor it.
You got a
Right,
tractor.
what am I
out.
doing? I don't need to come with you, bees. I can go and try and get more.
Right, I'm next to a red ifrit.
See if it's unlocked. If it's not, get them keys and get out of there.
Oh, I'm getting fucking shot at. They're not very good shot though. Oh, I'm just trying to steal the car. Just leave me alone. Don't fucking shoot me.
Take it.
Somebody said just take it. I'm getting fucking shot at, man. It's just funny fucking. It's red ifrit. Somebody's shooting the fuck out of this ifrit. Oh, I got shot. I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot.
Mate, how'd you get an off-road with
Gun on it.
a gun on the back of it?
You have to get the schematics from like Area 51 or some shit.
Yeah, I've got the keys for it.
Nuts.
I just need to repair it now. Right, I'm repairing. I've almost got this ifrit. Oh, come on, I want to get this. I want to get this so bad. How good would that be? Rolling up in a fucking tractor, stealing ifrit.
That's the biggest, for like, what's it called? The biggest flex.
It's
I
repaired.
rocked your tractor. I rocked your ifrit with a tractor.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in here. I've got one. Brian, this is yours, man. If I can get away. They're shooting the living fuck at it. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm so
What's the thing
fucking
though? They're
scared.
basically bulletproof, so it doesn't even matter.
I'm fucking out of here. I've got a ifrit. If I can get this to the chop shop, it's yours, Brian. Right.
Where's the screen?
Move, move, move.
I've got keys. I've got keys. I've got keys.
Where's the screen? Where's the screen?
Right, you need me to give you the keys and I'm going to get the road.
I'm cutting it, aren't I? Cutting shut.
Give keys.
Yeah, cut and shot. Yeah, yeah. You need to get keys, so you need to lock pick it, and then you cut and
No,
shot it.
I've given the keys.
Get out of here, Billy.
Yeah, moved. You should be good. Is it yours? Brian?
See ya.
Right, I'll take your head.
It is though.
Right, straight
Hey,
on.
hang on around there for me, Billy, because
I'm
I need you
gonna
to.
come back. I'm gonna come back as well.
Yeah,
I've
I'm going to
got
pick
Yeah.
Brian up and come back.
I've got 700